Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Visual Studio Code Insider. So for downloading that, first you have to open Microsoft Store. So let me open here Microsoft Store. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Visual Studio Code Insider or VS Code Insider. So here you can see Visual Studio Code Insiders is showing. Now click on it. So here is an option install. So by clicking on it, we can download VS Code Insider on our computer absolutely for free. So this is how you can download Visual Studio Code Insider. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.